Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Yes, again, I have come with another super effective weight loss tea that you can try from the comfort of your home. The ingredients are cheap and very affordable. You can find it in the market if you don't already have. Before I go on, please help build this community. Do me that favor. Subscribe it on that bell to get notified. Like and share these videos, okay? Thank you so much. So we are going to be using basic ingredient that you might have known, which is clove. Clove is a very beautiful, very efficient weight loss ingredient that you can't afford to not to have in your kitchen. The reason why most people find it difficult to lose weight is because their bodies have a slow metabolic rate, meaning that their bodies digest food slowly. This glove that you are seeing, it helps to boost your metabolic process. What does that mean? It means that it will quickly digest your food. By boosting your metabolism, you burn more calories, you burn more weight. You shed off those weight, and when you burn more calories, it will help you lose weight. All right. Drinks made with clove will help you in your journey to losing weight. All right. The other ingredients we will be using for this weight loss tea is ginger. Ginger is a must have in your home, really, because ginger contains compounds called gingeroids. These compounds stimulate a biological activities when consumed. It suppresses your hunger and it will help you control your appetite, and it will therefore promote weight loss. That is why we are using it. So we have our clove ready, we have our ginger ready, and then we also need a hot water flask, preferably hot water flask, okay? Because we are going to be using hot water to prepare this drink. First off, get your clove washed so that you will have a very healthy, good clove to use. And then you also need to wash and scrape your ginger. It is very important to get all those skins off so that you won't be drinking dirt. You also need a cup of boiled water, not hot water, boiled water, okay? So put your hot water inside your flask. It is not really hot, it's just warm. It is just warm, okay? So use warm water. So put your warm water inside the flask. Go in with your ginger. Maybe you don't know that ginger contains antioxidant properties that helps you fight off free radicals and prevent inflammation. So apart from the fact that it is helping you lose weight, it will also help you fight disease, okay? After you have gone in with your ginger, go in with your clove, okay? Clove is rich. I'm telling you, clove is rich. I personally use it to make pap in my house because I love the smell. I love the smell. I am in love with the smell. So you know the reason why it is this important. So put in your clove and your ginger and cover your hot water flask. We want the clove and the ginger to secrete its nutrient inside the hot water, and that is why we will be leaving this flask overnight. So this is the next morning, the water had changed its color because the clove had secreted its nutrients inside the water, the clove and the ginger. So here you have it, your weight loss tea is ready. You should take this drink very early in the morning so that it will speed up your metabolism, and then it will help you suppress hunger. And then you take this tea before you sleep so that while you are sleeping, you also be losing some considerable amount of fat around your body. So I really do hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button. do me that favor to make this community grow. Turn on your bell to be notified of any of our videos. Share and like this video. I have tons of weight loss tea, weight loss recipe on this channel. You can do well to check it. Thank you so very much for watching. I'm super grateful. Until next time, bye.